Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and we will continue the chapter. This is the third video and the final video hopefully. Okay, let's pray to God. Cross fingers, I hope. Okay, so now the main topic we are going to discuss is about manure and fertilizers and the use of rhizobium. Rhizobium. So you haven't understood anything of this, I guess. You may have understood this and this, but not this. So manure and fertilizers. That means, you often have seen farmers. I guess if you live in a village or maybe have you visited a farm, they will be spraying something. So that's not only pesticides which are the spraying, but there are also the fertilizers. The fertilizers. Okay, first of all, you tell me. The plant, it gets nutrients from the soil, minerals from the water. So nutrients from the soil, and if a soil does not have nutrients, the plant won't be able to grow there. So when there is a soil, they spray fertilizers or cover it with a layer of manure to enrich it with nutrients. So um, manure is something which we can also prepare. Example, your kitchen waste like cucumber peels, cucumber, carrot, tomato, and all kitchen waste. You dig a pit, dig a pit, place it in there, cover the pit. That's what all you have to do for prepared manure. After some days, you will see there is there is none of this waste, only sand, black color sand or any other color sand. That will be your manure. That will be your manure. That means this is a nutrient rich soil because the organisms they eat it and they eat it and what do we say that word like they eat it and just turn it out into usable into manure. Okay, so yeah, I hope until now it's clear. So let's go to fertilizers. I'm not cannot be prepared by us. It's prepared in factories. One second, let me adjust my mic. Yes, factories. So we don't need to talk about fertilizer. Just need to know that they provide the soil with nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. So the crop. Now you must be thinking potassium and all these three come from the fertilizer and the manures. I'm sorry, but there is one difference. Nitrogen and leguminous plants does not come from only nitrogen. So let us study about that. Leave that page, draw a line. I just moved the recording spot by a bit. 1 minute. So, uh, this, what was I saying? Yeah, let's draw what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? This all's wrong. Yes. So let's draw a line here and start. So nitrogen is 78%. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 78. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. 78% in an atmosphere. That means it is in abundance. So the gas which is in abundance cannot be absorbed by plants because they only absorb carbon dioxide. So for requiring that, they put fertilizer, they put manure, but in leguminous plants, there's some other system going on. There is a bacterium called rhizobium, which converts atmospheric, oh, atmospheric atmospheric nitrogen nitrogen into a usable usable for plants for plants. So this is rhizobium. I just need to finish this. Okay, so rhizobium cannot make its own food. Okay, rhizobium cannot just make its own food. So it lives in the roots of leguminous plants like gram, mung, and chana, the leguminous, etc., etc. So it lives in the roots of those plants, and the plants, yeah, this is rhizobium. The plants provide him with food and water. Uh, the plants provide him with food and water. So this is also a symbiotic relationship. So this relationship is of a great significance for the farmers because they can reduce the use of nitrogen fertilizers in the crops where leguminous plants are grown because they know that rhizobium will convert the atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form for plants. So this is the use of a bacterium called rhizobium. So you have learned so many things in this chapter. Am I right? Now the chapter is over, guys. Proudly informing you. So you have learned saprotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition, symbiotic relationship, and then host and parasitic relationship, etc., etc., and etc., 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 forever. So it was a very, very fun chapter. Very fun. I still like this chapter, man. Okay, so now I hope you will be able to complete the textual exercises. In the last of the lesson, they leave you with one question. Figure this out. Plants and animals depend on insects and other animals for food. Can we say that insectivorous plants are partially heterotrophs? I have given a hint of this question answer in in any of my video. Find it out because I know that which exact second it was told. Find it out and write it down in the comment section below. And very sorry for the mic problem. The voice is so unclear. I will improve this recording browser. Yeah, and I wanted to introduce to you this browser right here. Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. I'm using its free trial right now. But this browser is excellent and its free trial itself is like so smooth running. You can see everything I wrote and I'm audible. I'm not audible clearly, but I am audible, right? This is what you expect from a free browser. So I recommend you, even if you are opening a YouTube channel, I hope you beat me and you use the Screencast-O-Matic. So we are over and we have just completed 10 minutes of our video. This is a video for a specific chapter, so I wouldn't like to start a new chapter. Let's have a recap just by narration on what I said. I am keeping my stylus down, and as you can hear it. Fine. So, a final recap says that all organisms need food and utilize it to get energy for growth and maintenance of their body. Green plants synthesize food for themselves by the process of photosynthesis. They are autotrophs. Plants like Ascuta are parasites. They take food from the host plant. Plants are use simple chemical substances like carbon dioxide and water for the synthesis of food. Chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight are the essential requirements for photosynthesis. Complex chemicals, substances such as carbohydrates are product of photosynthesis. Solar energy is absorbed by the chlorophylls present in the leaves slash plants. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Oxygen released in photosynthesis is utilized by living organisms for their survival. Many fungi derive nutrition from the dead and decaying matter. They are saprotrophs. Indeed, a few plants and all animals are dependent on other for their nutrition that are called heterotrophs. Okay, so we have learned about pitcher plant. We have learned about Venus flytrap and that crocodile mouth guy. We have learned so much in this video, giving you a recap too. I hope this chapter is clear with you. If you have any doubts, I'll solve it in the comment section below, or I'll make a video for that. I am really determined to this work, and I've been just up till late night to make this video, and I have put a lot of efforts in. I will appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. Comment down below for any of my mistakes, or and if you like the video, like it, and if you did not like, dislike it. That's that's obvious. Okay, so thank you so much for seeing this video, and I will be fixing my mic problem soon. Okay, I will I will try and make my explanation better chapter by chapter. I will exercise the chapter many times so that it's clear to you first. Okay, so just for information, we are going to start nutrition in animals next, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. So these three videos which I have done in the series are published on the same day, on the same day, on the same day, on the same day, after 1 hour and 10 minutes, like that. Okay, so I will try to complete the science textbook very quickly, and if the science textbook gets over, I will start the social textbook. Like in the sixth grade, I used to explain the social chapters to you, but now I'm planning to do it science. Science is very interesting, and my favorite subject in science is biology. That's why I like this topic so much. And this topic is of biology. Next topic is also of biology, but the next topic is of chemistry. Chemistry. So I like science. I like science in spite of that physics, chemistry, and biology. I like PCB, and I hope you like it with my explanation too. Thank you so much. I have given you a lot of introduction of myself, and bye bye. Take care of yourselves. Have a nighty sleep, as it is just um uh, 11 at my place. 11 at my place. Oh, sorry, 10:30 at my place. So even I'm gonna sleep. So have a nighty sleep. Sleep tight. Good morning to those who have morning in their countries, and good evening to people who are who are in a country which is having evening. So if you have seen my 6th grade previous videos, you must have noticed that longitude, etc. thing. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Like if you like it, dislike if you don't like it, and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you so much, and bye bye. One more information, I've changed my channel name to GK House of Education. So if you want to find me, type House of Education. I won't come in the last. I will come in the last. Maybe I'll come in like 1000 position. But if you like this video, please find me and find me. I may make videos about some other discussions, except for studies, because studies always makes us dull. We need recreation. Thank you so much, and bye. Goodbye, guys.